Print a string as hexadecimal bytes.
You can transform your string to an integer generator. Apply hexadecimal formatting for each element and intercalate with a separator.
For Python 2, X. The code above will not work with Python 3. X, for 3. X, the code below will work.
Another answer in 2 lines that some might find easier to read, and helps with debugging line breaks or other odd characters in a string. For Python 2.7. For Python 3.7, not tested on all releases of 3.
Some compliments to feed or Gogolev's answer. First, if the string contains characters whose ASCII code is below 10, they will not be displayed as required. In that case, the correct format should be column O2X. Second, if your string is in reality a byte string, and since the difference matters in Python 3, you might prefer the following. Please note there is no need for conversion in the above code, as a bytes object is defined as an immutable sequence of integers in the range 0 is lower than or equal to x is lower than 256.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.